are the different kinds of prospect meetings you could run into?
I'm gonna blank on the names of them, but needs based and yeah, curiosity.
Are there any other kinds of prospect meetings? Maybe there also could be a networking element. Like if somebody introduces me to a lawyer and it's really more for networking purposes, I can turn that into a curiosity or a needs-based meeting, but it started off as a networking meeting. So I'm meeting with Greg Abrams, okay? We met through a mutual contact. He knows that I know a lot of lawyers. I know he knows a lot of lawyers. So it starts off as a networking meeting, but eventually he starts to ask, maybe in my infomercial, I bring up how I help lawyers and the kinds of pain problems I solve. And then he says, well, that's really interesting. I'd be curious to know more about that. And then he turned into curiosity. And then eventually he goes, maybe we should talk about me. And then it went all the way from networking to curiosity to needs all in one meeting. That either happens during that meeting or it happens, maybe we set up a separate time because I need 30 minutes separately to do a full, sales free selling on Greg Abrams. All right.